Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best IKEA most sold products that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly solutions or premium upgrades, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Aliexpress 102267 105163 plastic sleeve and screw compatible with IKEA furniture hardware. Part number 105163-102267. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those looking to repair or upgrade their IKEA furniture with durable materials. Constructed with high-quality plastic and stainless steel, these sleeves and screws are built to last, resisting wear and tear even with long-term use. They're compatible with IKEA bed frames like Hasselvika, Hemnes, and Songsand, making them versatile for a variety of furniture fixes. Installation is straightforward, simplifying the repair process for even novice DIYers. In terms of design and build quality, the nylon tenons and screws ensure a snug fit for wooden bed slats and frame rails. While compact in size, they pack a punch in terms of usability, extending the life of your furniture without breaking the bank. With a price of just $8.88, this kit offers excellent value for money. However, it's best suited for light-duty applications and smaller repairs, which might not meet every consumer's needs. A great choice if you're on a tight budget and need a quick, reliable fix for your IKEA furniture. Pros include affordability, ease of installation, and durability, while cons are limited use cases and suitability for smaller projects. Taking a third spot is Superdies 102267 and 105163, replacement plastic sleeves and screws, a reliable kit designed to bring your IKEA furniture back to life. These replacement parts are highly compatible with popular IKEA bed models like Malm and Hemnes, making them a must-have for furniture repairs. Crafted with premium quality plastic and rust-resistant screws, this kit guarantees durability and a snug fit for connecting bed slats to bed frame rails. Each set includes 4 screws and 4 plastic sleeves, providing enough components for most repair needs. The design emphasizes simplicity and practicality. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the detailed instructions provided, making it accessible even to those new to DIY repairs, with a price point of $9.18. This kit is an affordable solution for extending the lifespan of your furniture. The product's performance is backed by excellent customer reviews, boasting a perfect 5.0 rating. Ideal for homeowners looking for quick fixes or college students needing budget-friendly solutions for dorm furniture. While it's great for small-scale repairs, it might not be suitable for larger restoration projects. Pros include high compatibility, durability, and affordability, while cons are limited pieces per pack and the necessity for precise measurements before purchasing. Landing at number 2 is the Aknesic 6-pack heavy-duty extra-large moving bag storage tote. If you're looking for a practical and eco-friendly alternative to moving boxes or bins, these bags are a game-changer. With dimensions of 29 inches by 15 inches by 13 inches, each bag offers a massive 24.5-gallon capacity, making them ideal for moving, camping, or general storage. What sets them apart is their heavy-duty construction, featuring reinforced nylon handles and double zippers that can support up to 80 pounds of weight. The backpack straps add versatility, allowing you to carry them hands-free during moves or trips. Design-wise, these bags are not just functional, but also highly convenient. They can be folded flat when not in use, saving storage space in your home or vehicle. The wide-open zipper top makes loading and unloading hassle-free, even for bulkier items like bedding or clothing. At $26.32, they're slightly pricier than traditional storage options, but their durability and reusable nature make them a worthwhile investment. Perfect for college students, frequent movers, or anyone needing high-capacity storage. Pros include large capacity, robust build, and versatility, while cons are the slightly higher price and limited aesthetic appeal for non-moving use. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the IKEA Fixa Toolkit 17-piece. This premium toolkit is the ultimate solution for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts looking for a compact yet comprehensive set of tools. Priced at $37, it includes essentials like an adjustable spanner, combination pliers, a hammer with a rubber mallet casing, a screwdriver with multiple bits, and more. The tools feature ergonomic handles made of soft synthetic rubber for a comfortable grip, ensuring a seamless user experience during extended use. The design is sleek and practical, with compartment containers that make organization a breeze. Whether you're tackling minor home repairs or assembling furniture, the Fixa Toolkit provides everything you need in one convenient box. Its performance is unparalleled for a kit in this price range, offering durability and reliability for years to come. Ideal for first-time homeowners, frequent DIYers, or anyone needing a portable toolkit. While it's a bit more expensive than other products on this list, the quality and versatility make it worth every penny. Pros include excellent build quality, comprehensive tool selection, and portability, while cons are the higher price and a limited number of tools compared to professional-grade kits. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.